Oh, man. The wind blowing. Oh, wow. Storm. Storm today. Oh, there's gonna be no work in the yard.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, more work for me and you.
Yeah. Boy, that.
Back over again.
Yeah, gotta bring the yard back over. Good
You
old joke.
gotta come back on this side right here. This side.
And look at this. Now, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the guy, bro. Look at that guy.
A little clearer.
They try to get energy. They trying to fuel them thunderstorm. That's what they trying to do. But they can look. You get it? They trying to fuel them thunderstorm. That's what they trying to do. They trying to fuel them thunderstorm for them. But they gonna like they call it. If we get a torn let it watch here. Yeah.
When gonna knock it?
I don't know. Because all that.
So
Look at it.
A little sucker like this.
Oh, we not get a toenail phone. Because they let it gun out, but they gonna try to feel them thunderstorms.
Well, if it knock all the damn building, if it knock all the building, boy, it's just like to start over.
It's gonna be a start over. Then not right now.
You know, nigga, I'm talking about the damn buildings in there. Right here, what I just did, right here.
Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look here. Around here. And in this neck of this yard here. We just real picking up. Been picking up today. I hope they get the tornado rocks. Cause long out there. Trying to get the energy, feed in. Down the farm thunderstorm. Walking around. Around. Because we not do like can't get it. Put that track in, bring that track out here. Move the track off the deck. Get it. Get it, y'all. Go for you to look at. Get it? I gotta get my Right. But I drop 'em over here. I know they go there. I got put online, rather than stuff online. Get it? It warm today. I can feel it. Okay, you trying to put kick on the energy. We don't keep the video going, go. We don't keep the bill for y'all to go with it. Get what fake going on here. Gunning out, trying to get on that energy. Trying to feel these thunderstorms because I ain't getting nothing falling yet. I'm not to come over the gunner. Man, we not, if we can walk the bill around, cause we ain't got that strong wind too. Here, by the house, gunning out. Come on now. Quick guy, you see this guy like this? Boy, we about to get real today. Hope we get a tongue in here and we like, I don't know, it's a not problem idea thing about not playing. If I get a tongue in here and come in, God can nothing. Your tongue in with this crap. We not give one. Then we stand out here. I'm gonna put on our way to pit again. Don't lie. Oh wow. Good luck. Airplane. Cause we gone land a couple airplanes. We got goom into this one. Goom it. Oh, focus, come on now. Focus. There you go. I tried doing the focus, went bad on it. Focus don't want to drunk it, make bad photography, but it's not. Can't tell. Every day. Down here in this neighborhood. Hold that camera for my own. I could put my favorite bathroom, but I need it. And cause I one thing about it. Oh, I'll turn that camera. That night on my phone just came on. I don't know what the heck doing that for. So I gotta do it again. That's why at night. been going wow. Oh. Trees. Don't. Wow. Good. We're on an airplane. If I could get it. Cool. It's been fun today. I'll check my. Let me go to that tracker. We gotta track this. We gotta track this stone here. I'm gonna go ahead and track that stone here, see where it at. I'll get that tree right there. We're gonna try to pull that truck off. Try to get a different get a strong wind for so I'm gonna track that stone, see where they at. So we getting out of cause I feel we ain't gonna be start picking up fame out here. Gotta get real. I'm gonna start recording on camera. Like a big little crib by the Negro yard. Oh, Negro yard. Right past that blue house too. Right here.